Zoltars opener is literally the perfect opener. It's fun, powerful, engaging, and the best part is it's super easy to do.
Harry, I've got a pack of these mind-reading playing cards, and I'm going to be honest with you, I've got no idea how they work, but they always seem to.
With Zoltars opener, you receive everything you need to perform this effect straight out of the box. The online tutorial, as well as the custom design playing cards, and of course the tuck case, which involves everything you need to perform it.
The mind reader has got a message for you on the bottom of the box.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, it says think of a card.
Okay. 7.5. Right.
He means it. He really does mean it.
Right.
52 different cards you could have named. 52 different cards. You can see they are all different.
Yeah.
In fact, you chose 7 of hearts. Hold your hand out for me. The 7's going to go on your hand. Now, the mind reader knew that out of all these cards, you would choose a red card, you would choose a heart, and it will be the 7. And I can prove it, because each one of these cards has got a standard red back, but turn over the 7 where the mind reader would have left his mark.
No way. How? What the hell?
And that is Zoltar's opener.
There's multiple different ways of performing Zoltar's opener, including a slightly longer storytelling piece, or if you want to strip it back, just a direct mind-reading miracle. As I said earlier on, Zoltar's opener is super easy to perform, and it goes without saying that it works with any thought of card. I'm Harry Nardi, and welcome to Zoltar's opener by my dad, Peter Nardi.